Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, 4:55 in the afternoon on August 7th. So I just wanted to show you what the weather is looking like pre-hurricane. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Slight breeze, not too many clouds, just beautiful. So I am in the north part of Maui, and south is that way, which is pretty much how the Hurricane Hector will be coming around the island chain if it should get really close. And I'm going to be taking videos on it just to show you how it progresses. So starting tomorrow morning, I'll film again and see where we're at. Hard to see because of the sun glare, but it is just beautiful, like the calm before the storm. So I'll keep you up to date. You can see it's a little windy, but that's pretty much regular trade winds. Some clouds coming in, no rain yet. Might get weirder, it might get weirder later on tonight. So anyway, I'll keep you up to date. Stay happy.